So hello friends, today's question is find the value of a for which function fx equal to a sine pi by 2 bracket x plus 1, and the condition is the value of x should be less than or equal to 0, and for the value of x greater than 0 the function is tan x minus sin x by x cube. So the function is continuous at x equal to 0. So in this question we have to find the value of a for which the function is continuous at x equal to 0. So for the continuity of a function, we first of all we know that the left hand limit should be equal to right hand limit, and this should be equal to the value of the function at a point which is like continuous at the point. So here the point is x equal to 0, so the value of function at 0 should be equal to this both. So first of all we will see the LHL. So here the LHL is limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus denotes the left hand limit or the value of x less than 0. So the function will be a sine pi by 2 x plus 1. So we'll simplify it a bit, because if we put the value 0 directly here, the 0 x in place of x it will be 0, and 0 plus 1 will be 1, and a sine pi by 2. So we are not getting a proper value, so we'll simplify it a bit. So if we put sine pi by 2 inside the bracket, we will get sine. If we put pi by 2 inside the bracket, then pi by 2 plus pi by 2 x. So as we can see here that it is in cyclic form of the trigonometry. So sine pi by 2 plus theta, if we consider it as theta, then psi pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. So here we can write limit x tends to 0 minus sine pi by 2 theta is a will be continued cos theta, and theta is pi by 2 x. Now we can put the value. So the value of x is 0. So if we put the value 0 here, then a into cos pi by 2 into 0. So pi by 2 into 0 will be 0, and cos 0 is 1. So here we will get a into 1. So ultimately the value will be a. So we are getting the value of LHL is a. Now we will proceed towards RHL. RHL is limit x tends to 0 plus, which means the value of x greater than 0. And we can see that the value of x greater than 0, the function is tan x minus sin x by x cube. So we will write the function over here. So we will write the function tan x minus sin x by x cube. So here also we will simplify it a bit. We can write tan x as sin x by cos x minus sin x divided by x cube. Now if we take the LCM, sin x minus sin x into cos x divided by cos x into x cube. So we'll separate it in two terms. Here we will first of all we'll take common. So if we take sin x common from these two terms, we will get sin x 1 minus cos x divided by cos x into x cube. Now we can separate it in two terms. So 1 minus cos x divided by x square into limit x tends to 0 plus sin x by x. So there is a formula, limit x tends to 0, sin h by h equal to 1. So sin h by h equal to 1. If this situation comes within in front of us, we know that if we apply the limit, then we will get the value 1. So here 1 minus cos x, we know that the value of 1 minus cos x, there is a formula that 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin x square by 2. So here also 1 minus cos x is 2 sin x square by 2, and sorry, here it will be x square because we took 1x here. So here it is x square by 2, so we'll try to make the denominator same as the theta, so that we can use this formula, this one, sin h by h equal to 1. So we will multiply and divide by 2 square, and the value of this will be 1. Sin x by x, it is 1. So limit x tends to 0 plus twice into sin x square by 2, and here also by 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 will be cancelled out, and this will be 1, so we'll be left with 1 into 1 by 2. So the value of RHL we are getting 1 by 2. Now we will see the functional value at 0. So at x equal to 0, in the question we can see here that if the value of x equal to 0, then the function is a sin pi by 2 x plus 1. So we will put the function will be a sin pi by 2 x plus 1. So here also we can't put the value 0 directly here, because limit x tends to 0 here will be, because if we put 0 directly, we would be getting sin pi by 2a, and which is not a proper value. So we have to simplify it a bit. So again, same process, sin pi by 2 plus pi by 2x, and by converting it through trigonometric cyclic form, we'll be getting limit x tends to 0, it will be cos pi by 2x a. So if you put the value 0, cos 0 is 1, so a into 1, so f0 is also a. So by, since LHL equal to RHL equal to f0, so we got that LHL is a and the RHL is 1 by 2 and f0 is a, so the value of a is 1 by 2. So hence we found the value of a, so the answer is 1 by 2. Okay, thank you guys.